Hey guys, welcome back to Cop Tool. I'm Scott, and this is the new cordless vac from Makita. It's a 2.1 gallon dry dust vac powered by two 18-volt batteries, good for 36 volts of power, and features their brand new auto start system. We're going to take a quick look at what these features can do for you on the job site and share our first impressions right out of the box. I'll explain why my wallet, my ears, and my lungs all appreciate this vacuum as well. The XCV08Z features another strong brushless motor from Makita that delivers 74 CFM using their dual 18-volt X2 LXT battery system. It is electronically controlled to optimize the battery usage to allow 50% longer run times than previous brushed DC motors. It should run about 40 minutes on high or about 75 minutes on low. The three-stage HEPA filtration system means it captures all the bad stuff in the air, and the internal cleaning system maintains suction power and makes the filter last longer. My wallet loves that. Now this is another tool from Makita that features Bluetooth. Makita's AWS gives us wireless on-off communication between the connected tool and the dust extractor, meaning that when I fire up this SDS Max rotary hammer drill in just a little bit, this vacuum should kick on to make sure my precious lungs stay safe from silica dust and other harmful particles. And my lungs will love that. So, out of the box, this vacuum is lightweight. Makita really focused on lighter parts so that even with the batteries in place, it weighs less than 19 pounds. Those same lightweight materials also include a sound-absorbing motor chamber that reduces the noise from a typically very noisy tool, and my ears love that. Hands-on, it's got a big on-off button, variable speed control, big rubber bumpers, and the locks on the lid and casters secure both the vacuum and the dust inside. Even the batteries have a locking lid to keep them secured from dust. You can check out the charge level on your batteries with the dual LED indicators, which show the charge of each battery separately. It's also got a cool little storage case for the attachments and extra batteries as well. My OCD loves that. Speaking of attachments, it comes with two anti-static hoses and 4 adapter cuffs for a variety of shop situations. And finally, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. We haven't had 3 years to test this yet, but clearly Makita expects it to enjoy a long career on the job site. All right, now that we've explained all these features, let's see how it performs. With the new OSHA silica dust requirements in place, we figured that an SDS Max drill would be the perfect tool to test this vac. Overall, we liked it. The clear standout features are going cordless and using the new Bluetooth system to automatically turn this thing on and off. When you stop worrying about dust collection, you end up keeping your focus on the tool you're using, which is probably where it should be in the first place. We are typically impressed with what Makita is producing lately, and this addition to the family of 18-volt X2 cordless tools is no exception. Of course, that's only half the story though. For the rest of it, head on over to coptool.com. And last of all, quick question for all of you. Are you subscribed? If not, we get it. That button is way down there. So, to help you out, we added this tiny little Cop Tool logo to the bottom right of the video. Can you see it? If you click it, you can subscribe, saving yourself at least 2 additional inches of movement. You're welcome. We'll see you again real soon.